If you're a creator in Toronto, brands in your city already wants to work with you. You just need a cleaner way to reach them. That's when onlure comes in. You start with an empty creator profile. Fill it out step by step, and once your profile hits 100%, you unlock the ability to message brands directly. No agency, no middleman, and no waiting around hoping someone discovers you. You can browse local businesses, reach out yourself, and pitch to brands you actually want to work with. You also get analytics on your dashboard, including when your audience is most active, so you know the best time to post and plan your content. And the best part? You set your own rates. Whatever price you choose is your rate brands see. And onlure takes zero commission. onlure is a Canadian-built creator platform designed around transparency. You see the brands, message them directly, set your own rates, and you know exactly what you're getting before you ever post. Sign up at onlure.ca and start reaching out to brands today.